Ready?
Well, look, we have oil pressure.
Watch this. Well, top of the day. Welcome back, Road Trip Garage, guys. We are a couple weeks back now from Power Tour. Again, awesome trip. But just before we left for Power Tour, I posted a short of the old barn find Camaro being towed away. Megan took it to work, and literally the day before we left, it was a Friday, and it failed. Our brand new fuel pump decided to leave the chat. So I'm already dirty and gross because I've already changed it. Ta-da! Magic. Just like that. I didn't show you that because you guys have seen it. I've done it 2 times now. So, well, 3, counting this one. So I didn't need to show you that. But today, now that we've got it running, and it's running way better, we're going to attempt to recharge the air conditioner. Yep, our little 2.8 Camaro is an AC car. So, what I want to do, fire it up. Let's do that right now. Oh, listen to that purr like a kitten. Now, you may not be able to tell, but I've already switched the AC on. The reason why I did that is because I want to see if the pump works. So it's going to be loud for a second. I'm going to set you down. Boom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump the switch. I just want to see if the pump will turn on. What pump's we going to do? Compressor. Compressor. You guys see that? That's awesome. What I did was I jumped the pressure switch, just pretending, letting it think that there's Freon in it, but there isn't. So what we got here, let me shut the car off. It's a bit loud. All right. Now this little video is a little on the I don't know how you say that, unprofessional side. Not that I'm a professional by any means, but I don't even have a tripod. I'm literally just using the GoPro and I'm holding it in my hand. But this is literally the kit I bought to recharge the Sonoma. And I didn't show you guys that because, quite frankly, we're putting things together last minute. So let me show you what we got here. Boom. All right. So it's just basic. It's a hose with a gauge and a valve, and all we do is we connect our cans to it and put this on the is it the low side, the air side, high side? Anyways, I'll let you know in a sec because I just don't remember. But what I do need to grab, which I believe is in my Sonoma, is an adapter, because this car, just like the Sonoma, is R12. R12 doesn't exist anymore. It was bad for the environment. So this is an R12 replacement without having to change everything in the system. So let me go get my adapter. We'll plug it in. We'll try it out. All right. Funny story. Like I said, I used this little kit on the Sonoma, which, by the way, still blows cold air. And I had left the adapter on the Sonoma, like physically attached to it. So let's come on. Oh. Okay, I have to get some pliers, I guess. I'm over here. All right. I'm hoping we can actually get it to work and surprise Megan when she gets home. How cool would that be? I don't have high hopes, but I'm willing to give it a shot. Where's my wrench? There it is. Yeah, so this just allows the more newer system connection to connect to the old system. Doesn't seem very good, does it? I don't want to cross thread and wreck it. I'm going to get a wire brush and clean those threads off. Give me 2 seconds here, guys. Nope. There it is. They're just soft aluminum, so I don't really want to wreck anything. So let's clean them up here. Doesn't take much. Okay, let's try this again. It bottoms up pretty quick. Okay. Now, switch you guys over here. Hi, what's happening? How you doing? So we're gonna screw the can in. It's not punctured yet, right? Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna fire the car up, make this connection. And the gauge here is going to show you good or bad. Let me show you real quick. Hang on. So green is low. I don't know if you can see that very well. Blue is filled, yellow is alert, and red is warning. So let's fire it up and see what we get. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. Like a kitten. All right. We're gonna open the valve now. Hang on there. Let's see. See how it's in the red? So that's like no good. Oh, look it. Our compressor's already turned on. Cycling. Oh, that's a good sign. That means it's happy. We're gonna watch this needle. Hopefully when it stays, we want it to hopefully stay a little more steady. But it is staying in the blue for the most part. We might need a second can. Woohoo! That's awesome. Take a second to go see. That's getting cold at all. Now, if I remember correctly, this fan makes horrible noises. Go. Well, leave that alone. Let's go check it. Because it might need that second can of refrigerant. Alright, give me a sec. I'm going to switch this can over. Alright, we got can number 2. Now I was told by our good friend Tom, 2 cans max. Connected? Alright. Okay. There we go. Puncture the can. Cool. Oh, she's sucking it in. Loving it. I can feel the can getting cool to the touch. Oh yeah, look at now. See how it's not compressor no longer cycling. So the needle is staying on. Staying steady. And the blue says filled. Oh yeah, that is good news. Whew. I hope it lasts. That would be awesome if it did. I'd love to surprise Megan with this. Okay, let's see. Oh, she's cold. She's brisk. Oh, oh my God. Like it's cold. Real cold. Oh. Fantastic. 35. We're dropping. Hopefully it doesn't drop too much. No, looks like it's holding on. Oh, that is great. Okay. We're going to claim victory on this one, but we're not done yet. Victory will only be when Megan gets here and she sees it. But you know what? I'll bring you along. We'll check it out. See you shortly. See you soon. Okay. Hi, we're back. As you can see, I'm changed because we just finished having dinner. And there is that twinkle in my eye. So we are running into a little struggle, but before I tell you about that, let's claim victory. So let's get Megan in the car. Climb in there, bougie. Yeah, come on. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Okay, fire it up for me. Ready?
Well, look, we have oil pressure.
Watch this.
Did you seriously get the AC going? That's awesome.
Sure did.
That is cold.
It's real cold.
Nice.
The car doesn't run.
But we got AC.
Well, we've got AC. Feel that?
I feel it. Yeah, it's cold. Nice.
Are you satisfied?
Yeah. Well, once it,
Runs. So the reason why we keep, you can shut it down. The reason why we keep talking about if it runs is I just put our third, 1, 2, 3 fuel pump into this thing, and now the car is starving of fuel. If you guys have any ideas, send them my way, because I am baffled now. I am baffled. But that's not what today is about. Today is about our victory. We have air conditioning. Isn't that awesome? So our little Camaro's coming around. Eventually one day it'll run and drive. But at least we can sit in the driveway, listen to sick beats in the air conditioning. Guys and gals, I thank you very much, and we will see you soon. Cheers.